How did it all end up like this? This house is not what it seems. In all my years on the force, I thought I'd seen it all. But coming here, I've seen things. Things no man should see.
The intruder appealed, they let her out, and now there's going to be a retrial. Obviously, this is having an effect on my son, so I thought I'd get along, check the group out, and maybe talk to him about coming along.
Yeah. You? Kind of nervous? Well, not so you noticed. Unless I actually told you, which I just did.
It's quite quiet. Just people. People who have no idea who you are.
Is that?
It's a soldier's helmet, I think.
Yeah, World War II.
Really?
Yeah, it's a British helmet.